don't see the alligator?
No,
I don't see it either. Thought you seen it. No. Oh man, we gotta stick together. This is why people die in movies, son. You gotta stick together. Okay? Okay. I got your super juice. I got your superpower juice in case we get into some hyenas or leopards or something. What was that? What was that? You hear? You hear?
I don't want that.
Oh, they're gonna chase him. Run! 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 Y'all tuned in to another vlog. You know, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Share. Turn on the notification post so you know when we dropping it back. We really out here in this video. Alright, you guys, we back, man. Man, today, shit, last night, we wanna chill with my partner. He whipped us up some good ass food. You know what I'm saying? So we ended up making it back to the crib kind of late, you know? And shit, it wasn't no parking spot, so shit, they ended up working it like the handicap or whatnot, thinking they wasn't gonna fuck with our shit. We was gonna wake up early enough.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
It's real life shit. Real life shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see we out here, man. That probably was the bitch ass nigga who told our shit. Hey, boy, don't fuck with J Moolah shit, boy. Stop fucking with our shit, boy. Don't fuck with our shit, man. You must don't know me, ma. I kill people for fun, eh? Y'all see we out here. Come on, hold your hand, hold up. Wait for the car. Y'all wait for the cars. Y'all wait for the cars. See, they think. Yeah, man. Yeah, we live with it. We on the front street with it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Wow, what's up? Yeah, y'all see we out here 5150, man. Yeah, man, this real shit, man. This real life shit. Real life shit. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, you know, go through real life shit, man. Hit the like button, subscribe to your boy channel, man. Y'all see a nigga lit. We real deal out here in the field, though. Real, check them out, let them know. Yeah, we out here in the field, H-Town. Yeah, let them know, we out here. Yeah, me go. Que paso? You know what I'm saying? We out here. In them trenches. This Mexican trench. You know, we thugging in the I don't know how would you say the hood, what's hood in Mexico?
Barrio.
Yeah, we in the barrio. I ain't got the toe and roll yet, but I'm working on it, you feel me? So bear with me. Yeah, man, we out here. Y'all see? I walk through any hood, you feel me? Any race. You dig? No iron, no nothing, you heard me? I'm like that, yeah. I'm trying to come to your hood, see how y'all live. You know? I'm trying to see where the trench babies at, you heard me? Yeah. Where them hood babies at, man? Y'all see we out here walking, real deal. You did? But y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna let y'all know when we get to the car and shit. You know what I'm saying? So keep rocking with your boy, man. So we gonna keep getting lit. We gonna keep cutting up, and we gonna keep going down. Yeah, you know. All right, you guys, we back. As y'all can see, I don't know which one it is. I don't know if it's this one don't know if it's this one or that one down there. Gotta see.
64, 63. I mean 54, 63.
Oh, it's this one? Oh yeah, I think it's that one. Let's go, man. It's so wet, bro. Oh, I see y'all, baby, right there. There you go. Look. Alright, guys. About to get through this little process and see what they talking about. We gonna get right back with you guys. Y'all keep rocking with your boy. We gonna keep getting lit. We gonna keep cutting up. We gonna keep going dumb. You heard me? You know. Moolah. Alright, you guys. We back. Unfortunately, we gotta walk a fucking game.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
So look, check this out. This time we gotta walk because I get to the place, right? They don't accept credit cards. Come on, man. So now we gotta walk way back down there to the corner store and try to get cash out the card and come walk back. So this is, like I say, man, this is real life situations, what's going on in the world with people out here, man. So if you don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, subscribe to my channel, you know, hit that like button, because I'm giving y'all real life situations, you hear me? So fuck with me, you hear me? Cause you know we're gonna keep getting lit, keep cutting up, and keep going done, you heard me? Yeah, you know, moolah.
If you the little shit, motion, next
Look,
man, fuck your car, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, ho? Give a fuck about that car, ho. Bitch, I'm finna go get my shit in just a minute, ho. Fuck wrong with y'all? These old weak ass toe, and most of them be fat anyway. Cause I ain't finna get out of the chain. I should have caught him. See, if I would have caught him, I would have caught him. I would have did that boy down bad. On God, right there, right there. I'm telling you, man. Taking people's car, man. I work hard for that. Shit, now nigga, I should thugging. I gotta walk. Nigga don't get nothing else better but eat donuts and take people's cars. Fat ass tow trucks. Taking people's shit, man. God, he lucky I was asleep. On God, he lucky I was asleep. I would have whooped his fat ass, cause I know it was a fat tow truck dude who did it. I know he fat. I know it. All them tow truck dudes be fat. I don't give a fuck. I would have whooped his fat ass. On God. The bigger they is, the harder they fall. On God. I swear to God, son. Fucking with people's shit. Whack ass, fat ass dude. Better not let me catch you in my motherfucking section no more, nigga. When I get my motherfucking car back, bitch, you better not fuck with my shit no more, boy. On God. You fucking with my shit, man. Can't wait till I get me a house. Stupid ass apartment. I'm sick of Timberwalk apartments. I'm sick of them bitches. That's the worst fucking apartment complex in the world, son. On God. Them bitches lucky. Them bitches lucky. On God, they lucky. They lucky I was asleep. They lucky I was asleep. On God, they wouldn't have fucked with that one. Bitch ass niggas got me out here walking. I'm sweating, got my people out here. We walking and shit. Ain't nobody telling them to fuck with our shit. They just fucking with people's shit. Ain't nobody telling them to touch our shit, son. Niggas had me fucked up, cuz I'm telling you. They lucky I was asleep, bro. Me. Thought there was one of they fat asses right there. I call him, man.
What the
Alright, you guys, we back. Man, after a long fucking day, bro. It's 7:03 in the afternoon, bro. This shit is crazy. But shout out to my moms for letting me use her whip. You know what I'm saying? She let me use her whip. Cause I couldn't walk no more, man. I couldn't do no more walking. You know what I'm saying? Went through hell trying to get money off my card and all kind of shit, bro. So it's like, man, I finally, you know, was able to get the money, you know what I'm saying, so I can get the fucking car or whatnot. But bro, I ain't ate shit all day. My fam ain't ate. I ain't fed my fam. It's just been a rough ass day, bro. Like, I don't know what they coming with now. Oh, I guess I need the keys. Oh well, I guess she finna go get that motherfucker. Y'all can see. She gotta go get it. Yeah, man, it's been a long fucking day, bro, and I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I need to get my fucking mind right. I ain't gonna fake y'all. I damn the, man, bro, cause y'all don't understand. Y'all really don't fucking understand, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. I really had to hustle the fucking money. That's what niggas don't. I had to, cause the shit wouldn't pull out the fucking card, so I had to literally do what I do, you know what I'm saying, to get the money, you know what I'm saying. So that's really was like, god damn. And I'm talking about that really is like, damn, nigga, you know, it really kind of turned me up, because it was like, damn, bitch, you know what I'm saying, you did what you had to do as a man, you know, to, you know what I'm saying, get the car. So I'm not really fucked up no more, you know what I'm saying, because now I feel like that hard part is over with, you know, like, once we get the car, you know, is everything back, you know, gravy. But it's life, man. It's life. So if y'all, you know what I'm saying, give y'all boy that sun kind of hit. Give y'all boy a like on my video, you know what I'm saying, and subscribe to my channel if y'all new, you know what I'm saying, and keep rocking with your boy, you hear me? And man, this shit been crazy all day, man. It's fuck. I'm tired, and I've been having to go here, go there, go here, go there, go here, go there, go there. But shit, everything should be everything. You know what I'm saying? Everything should be everything. Waiting on them to come out so y'all can see, you know. It's been a long day, bro. And I just been, shit, trying to maintain and be a man, bro. That's why I need my supporters, you know what I'm saying, to hit that like button for me, you know, and subscribe to my channel so I can, you know what I'm saying, turn up a little more, you know, and bring y'all some better content, you know, so I can get me a better little camera or something, you know what I'm saying, or y'all can send me a camera or something. I'm trying to bring y'all more and better content, but you know, as y'all see, this is why I don't really vlog like I be wanting to. But shit, man, my life fucked up. My life real, you know, so I be having real life situations, you know, so as y'all can see, you know, so I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, you know, if you rocking with me, you know what I'm saying. But shit, it's been a long day, bro. I'm just thankful. I want to thank God for everything. I want to thank God for all my blessings. You know what I'm saying? Because without him, ain't nothing possible. So I'ma still remain with this fucking smile on my face through whatever. I want to take y'all through my journey of my struggle. You know what I'm saying? So people know and people see. You know what I'm saying? So. Oh, they got a car right there. We got the car back.
He ain't giving a fuck about
So, yeah, we got the car back. Got a little couple dollars from the change. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the car. Oh, alright, you guys. You know, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. You hear me? That's it for today's vlog. As y'all can see, it's been a long fucking day. I don't want to vlog no more, so I'm gonna end this vlog and shit. I'm gonna see y'all next time.
fuck with me, YouTube. You know, hey, if you're new to the channel, or if you already been rocking with your boy, y'all fucking know the motto. You hear me? We gonna keep getting lit. We gonna keep cutting up, and we gonna keep going down. You heard me? Yeah, you know, moolah.
We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag.